All right, y'all. So just came up to Mod Effects to get a little sneak peek. That don't look that cute, but it's coming along good. All right, so I'm getting my headlights done. I think they're Halo, the 4 series. So he's doing that part right now. So I'm gonna do more recording like when I'm about to pick it up because it's not gonna be ready yet. Supposed to be meeting Sick Whips up here, but he be taking forever. Y'all know he's slow.
What's the deal? It's Randall. We're here at Mod FX. Hey, we got some big news. We just moved into our new shop. T gave us a call. She said she want to get that Mod FX treatment. I said, go and pull up. So we still getting everything kind of situated. But as you can see, we got a car stripped down. You know, mask off at the moment. She's getting the Lighting Trends Flow Series DRL boards. And so she'll be able to control everything from her phone. You know, and she's going to be lit like we say. And so it is a process. So we got the headlights open. We'll show you those real quick. But hopefully in about 24 hours, you know, she'll be back together, good to go, and ready for that trip they're about to make. So y'all stay tuned. All right, peace. What's good is around the way in the lab. Like I said, we got the Lighting Trends DRLs. And so what we have right here, I'm gonna just show you a quick little behind the scenes. So this is a Dodge Charger headlight bezel. And so she has a 2015 plus Charger. And so as you can see, you have 2 DRL strips in the headlight. And so what we're actually gonna do is replace or take these diffusers out, and we're gonna install an LED strip behind these tubes. And I actually got it upside down, but so this is gonna replace this one. This one's gonna go up top. Now you do have an option of not having the tubes in, but it'll make these chips show, and so you'll be looking right at your LED chips. And so what we're gonna do is install this, and then we're gonna reinstall the diffusers on top. That way you have that nice smooth look. So all it is a torque screw, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disassemble the back of the bezel. So as you can see, I'm pulling the screws out, and so it's a couple of screws. And you have to do this in order to get the tubes out. If you don't take the screws out, the tubes won't come out. So I'm taking the screws out, boom. And you see I'm using a really small driver. I'm not using a big drill with a lot of power. That way it won't tear up your plastic. But once you remove all these screws, then it'll come out. And then I'll be able to remove your DRL tubes. And so as you can see, I think we got most of them out. Looks like I missed one. Take this one out. And so now this part comes out. So some people, when they do it, they like to paint these. So you can paint the Dodge letters, you can paint the background, you can do all kind of custom color combinations. It does increase the time that it's going to take to get everything done. So in this case, you know, we're under the crunch time, and so we're gonna send it. But you know, here's the tubes once again. I'm gonna pop them out. And so once you get your tubes out, that's when you replace them. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview, but you'll be able to see everything once we get our car back together. You see what it comes out when it's finished. And so I got one tube out. One tube out. And then let's see if we can get 2 tubes out.
That one's in there.
This one's in there. So you just take your time. You know, you don't gotta rush with it. Everything's plastic, so if it's fighting you back, then it means you're doing something wrong. So.
This is why you don't do it at home.
There we go. So now we got number 2 out. And then so once we get this part done, that's when we're gonna put our strips back in. And so we're gonna line our strips back up. Each strip has its own place that it goes, and so this one is only gonna fit in the spot. So if I try and put this in the wrong spot, it's not gonna match the shape. And so as you can see, it looks like we have a fit. And so I'm gonna cut this first. I don't have my scissors right here, but I'm gonna cut this first. Let's see real quick. And all all you do is pull your double sided tape out. And I'm gonna stick it in there and we're good to go. And so line it up.
Looks good already.
So we got one in. We'll do the same thing with the bottom real quick. So once again, you pull your tape off. You're gonna pop your wire in. So you line it up. And I'm gonna just push it in. And if you don't get it right the first time, you can pull it up and realign it. But it looks like in this case, you know, we're pretty much on the money on it. So that's how it looks with these in. And then we're gonna reinstall these. And so once again, you make sure you got them in the right way. If it's the bottom and the top, it's not gonna work. So I got the top, bottom I mean. Going in with the left side first. Let me back up actually. I gotta put the wire.
Oh. No, not mine. He's teaching me how to do lights. I'm gonna come work here next week.
Really?
Intern. Yeah.
We expect to do 50 lights per day.
No.
I'm gonna look at one. 50 lights, 50 lights. I think so. You might have some. Basically, so we got the wires run through. Now we can put our tubes back in. So you line your tubes back up. So I'm lining it up, but I'm being careful not to touch the actual front face of the tube. I will wipe them down before I put them in.
So what'll happen if you touched it? It'll just be like smudge?
If you touch it, it'll show. So we got our first one in, and so we're gonna do the same thing like with number 2. You know, we're gonna open it up to give us enough space to kind of maneuver it in. And if you look on this, the bottom of this, it has little ridges on here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but you can see the ridges. And so basically your little tabs, you want to make sure everything lines up. And when you do, it'll go in like it's supposed to without having to be finessed too much to get it in there. So as you can see, this one, it kind of slid right in. So I'm gonna move it up to lock the tabs back in. And then once I do so, we'll be pretty much ready to put the middle piece back in. And so, like I said, we're not painting this one, so this can go back in. And we'll end up having to massage it a little bit to get everything to fit back together. But that's kind of it. So once we do this, we put all the screws that we took out in the back in, get our bezel sitting back tight. In this case, see it's also getting a projector halo, so we'll open these up and install these in the headlight. And then when you see the finished product, you'll see how it all comes out. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little behind the scenes of what happens when you do a Flow Series Lighting Trends headlight installation. Make sure you check her out, and make sure you subscribe to her. You know, she got more content coming soon. Subscribe to ModFX, we got more content coming soon as well. And so we out here getting it. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all soon.
All right, I'm ready. So we Too Slow and Sick Whips here with me, and we about to go see my car. You got a lot of cars.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Y'all tired?
We got the pieces too. Yeah, y'all relax.
Hello. painting still?
Yeah, trying to get it done.
Did y'all help paint yesterday? Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit. Wait a minute.
How did that pop up?
Oh my gosh.
That's the perfect color for your wrap.
Yes, it is. Well, for right now, you know, be switching up the
You
game.
about to switch up the game.
No. I was saying the rap be switching it up. Y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh wee, y'all gonna see me coming. Ooh man, y'all.
Cut up like this.
Y'all, I'm finna be out here thinking I am the stuff.
Right.
Point.
She can't wait to park, y'all.
Right,
Like, oh, it's parking time.
right.
It's parking time.
Y'all down there. Ooh wee. Ooh.
No. That's dope.
Yes, it is.
Damn,
Oh my gosh.
Park it and let the light sit there.
Man. Y'all close
Oh,
up.
she got brand new time.
She got extra famous, y'all.
You know what?
She famous.
Yellow on it, the brand new yellow on there, y'all. Look at that.
Yeah, look, that's because my car ain't fast like y'all's. I can't be burning out and whatnot. Huh? Yeah, you can do a burnout.
You can rotate the tires, can't you?
I think so. Wait, I don't know. Can I? Cause
At $5,000, you gonna swing it?
Uh-oh.
I mean, I'll swing it. I will swing it. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna swing it at 5,000.
She said 5,000.
5,000. I'm gonna swing it. I got plenty tire to.
That's brand new.
That's a brand new. See how different colors? We watched this earlier.
What are the lines right there? Huh? What? 19. Y'all. Ooh, look at that one right there. I'm super happy. I'm like so excited. Like I'm probably gonna go right around y'all for real. Probably. No, he do want his done.
They look good on charge. They look real good on charge.
It just tell me that. See how bright? It just tell me that it's bright. So like, if we want to make it look more like realistic, we can. But I wanted to keep it bright like that because it show and make your car like it's like extra white. Yeah. Now we was outside, then I had to change it.
Cause it'll be like too
Yeah.
weird looking.
She ready to cut up now.
Man, I'm finna be driving around. Usually I be in the house like, man. But
I'll be in the
I
house
know.
too. What about you trying to go back home?
What? No.
I'm a nigga 20-hour shower. Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
Y'all see it. Huh? What? Cause I ain't going. What?
What?
What? Y'all leaving early? These are this is the face of people that are just.
Why would we do that? You know, I'm the person that maybe. Why would we do that? Why would I?
Oh my God.
If you don't put it on your.
Girl, you gonna have a good day.
I ain't lost these doors like that.
Man, it's do look good, don't it? And the lights too make it.
I'll be grabbing my car till like 4 a.m. I'll make my own party.
I know, be like, pop up me.
This shit is unfucking real, man. It's like you know where the money is. You're like, hey, bro, the money is right here. You get calm.
See, be real. If I left, would that make me look bad?
Yeah.
She's right. It really would, man. If that was
If
me,
it was just a regular meet, like out here,
Yeah, exactly.
You
But
can
that's like
cancel
Houston
it.
down, so I'm bringing Houston
people
to
spending
Dallas.
money to go out there.
So that's why I got so much people love.
Dallas made 3 weeks for you, and you already scheduled the venue.
I would be pissed. No lie. If I was just like going and I had all my shit,
I was like, yes, I'm gonna get my headliner free. Y'all. Well, y'all can't really see it right now because it's bright. I'm like, Hi. What's up, y'all? It is T Rose. Today we are doing a huge giveaway. We are doing a 3-car giveaway. It is going to be a 30-day giveaway for 2 of the cars. One is going to be a Delta 88 and then a Volkswagen Jetta. So the channels, it's going to be a multi-channel giveaway. So the channels that are involved in the giveaway are going to be, so it's going to be Melly's World, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, TK's Garage, More with TK, Auto Auction Rebuilds, Austin Car, New York in Your City, and my channel. So the 30-day giveaway is going to be for those 2 cars, but there's going to be an even bigger giveaway. If one of these channels hits a threshold in a 60-day period, we're going to be giving away a 2019 Suburban Tahoe. Let's see. So let me just explain what the thresholds are. Let's see. If Melly's World, TK's Garage, Austin Car, New York in Your City, or my channel hits 100K within the 60-day period, then we'll be giving away the Black Mamba, which is the 2019 Tahoe. And if Lucky's Wheels and Deals hits 250,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away the Black Mamba. If More with TK hits 200K in that 60 days, we'll be giving away the Black Mamba. And if Auto Auction Rebuilds reaches 500K, you'll be getting the Black Mamba. All right, so but one of those channels has to hit the threshold, so it doesn't matter which one. So it doesn't have to be all of them or anything like that. You have to be subscribed to all 8 channels. You have to watch all 8 of our giveaway videos and like and comment on them. All right, so that's really it. You don't have to purchase anything. All you have to do is subscribe to all 8 channels. All 8 channels will be in the description below. And I just want to say good luck to everybody. 2 cars in 30 days and another car if one of us hits the threshold in that 60-day period. So good luck and see y'all later.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.